Good. One more. Very good. Okay. We're gonna put our hands here at our chest. Take in a deep breath. One arm is gonna reach to the heavens and the other is gonna push to the floor. I exhale on the way up. Bring my hands back together. Take in a deep breath. Other hand goes up and the opposite hand goes down. Really work on your shoulder range of motion as you do this. Some of you may not be able to get up as high with one arm than the other, and that is okay. Also notice that I do tilt my head up just a little to look at my hand, but don't tilt your head up too high. You've got one more on each side, okay? And last one. Good. Now, with our hands here, we're gonna put our right foot at a diagonal in an L, and we're going to take a little step out. And as we shift our weight onto that foot, we're gonna push with the front hand. We're gonna shift back and push with the opposite hand. Don't strain your elbows, but we are trying to warm up your legs and your arms. And if I get going too fast, Marianne will slow me down. So you'll correct me.